Living Life with Donna. We're here at the Harlan County Dog Park. They just put one in, and Molly loves it. Usually when we come here, there's nobody here. And she loves to sniff and run. Huh. Come on. That's all she does is sniff. But I thought it was real nice of them to, and they even give you doggy bags. Little poop bags. It's more sun here now because the fall and the leaves are gone and a lot of the shade. But it's very nice. Right next to Farm Bureau. It's a real nice little place for the dogs to run in safety. We like it a lot. Oh, I hear a dog barking at Molly. Come on. Come on. You gonna run?